eat your food.
Go ahead, I'll catch it and throw it back. I'll end the war right here.
This war will never be over. So now they just hit the narrator. How more out of control can they be?
Litterbox is getting it.
Eat it.
Litterbox. She's gonna drive you crazy.
Yeah, she's the smart one.
I get it.
She's eating the props.
Litterbox. Should I take that from her?
No, let her have it.
Well, none of us can eat it.
Do you want to eat it?
No.
If you don't want to eat it, then let
There's
her
a piece like you threw over there and I can't find it. Sorry, narrator.
She'll find it.
I will throw this at you if you don't eat.
Go ahead, I'll catch it and throw it. I didn't finish yet. Where'd it go? Okay.
Most likely Alex Rucker ate this.
It's Cookie Crisp.
Yeah, like I said, most likely she ate it.
I will throw this at you if you don't eat your food.
Go ahead, I'll catch it and throw it back. There's what the other one went.
Okay.
Children, don't blame them. Their brains aren't developed yet.
What did he say?
I don't know if I should be insulted. I mean, it's a fab dinner and actually, throwing it at each other.
What? There are people starving in Africa, and this girl will not eat this delicious dish. Right across from the end from this table. This is how this war will start.
Okay. What? You're hungry? Okay, here. She said that she'll throw the chicken. What? Well,
This doesn't matter. As people are starving, they're deciding how to fight over food too, making it maybe even worse.
I will throw this at you.
And I will package it and send it to the starving children. Next time that do a Morgan Freeman voice.
Okay.
Yeah, I gotta practice it.
Enjoy, Litterbox. What? She devoured it.
Yep, good.
She devoured it.
Good.
Goodbye.
At least don't
I
interrupt.
am the true net. Narrator.
Okay,
Sorry about that interruption.
The narrator is the one that knows.
I was just so shocked.
Do you think you can catch it?
And then, like, I'll end the war. Okay.
Okay.
And we